Hey guys, it's Nikki from Tailor Made Muscle Cars. So today I am going to attempt to install a Diablo Trinity 2 EX tuner. And originally we'd gotten this thing for a wide body Challenger project that we were going to use. However, it was not compatible with the car. So that's because it was supercharged. So we're gonna put it in the '08 Challenger that you saw me drive down the track the other day. And if you are watching this, please subscribe because I want to take this car to the No Name Nationals. I want to race, and that's why I'm tuning this right now. So I'm going to show you really quickly what we did. Basically, it comes in a nice little kit, a little Diablo tuner, and this is the touch screen. I'm trying to download updates. It failed. I'm not close enough to internet, it seems. But anyways, we got it hooked up to the Wi-Fi. So first thing we did to power it up, we put in the cord into the OBD2 port, and we are going to eventually, after we get this thing set up and tuned, we're going to take apart the dash. There's a little piece up here where we can put the cord into. This way it's not dangling by our feet when we're driving. And there's an HDMI attachment in the back of this, and we plug it in, powers the screen up. And this thing has really, really cool features. You can make the template of the whole, background of this thing look a certain way that you want it. It shows gauges, it has tuning options, of course. It has even accessories that you could attach to it, like backup cameras, those sort of things. So anyways, right now we're trying to get updates on the device. This way the car is running to its highest potential. So we're going to now go ahead and take a look at the performance tuning. It showed up. Okay, here it is on the screen. So we can do quick adjust, custom tuning, tune vehicle. We can do lots of different things for it. And with this device, we can also do tests for like 0 to 60, 0 to 100, quarter, eighth mile runs, those sort of things. And you can add more than one vehicle to this. We have not tried it yet, seeing as this is the first vehicle we're gonna try it on, but it saves it all. So here we go.